I'm delighted to confirm that Fashion-Enter has won the King's Award Enterprise in the Sustainability section. What is absolutely fantastic is this is recognition for these lovely ladies. These machinists, the cutters, the admin staff, all the people that go behind making fabulous garments for the UK in a sustainable way. They are the ones that deserve this recognition. I also want to say a big thank you to Beth. So Beth's our creative director, and she spent months on that application. She worked so hard, and obviously with lots of questions, lots of due diligence, but she did it. So credit to you as well, Beth, for having that resilience for carrying on. But you don't get awards like this for like 1, 2, 3 years worth. This is 20 years worth of fighting for workers' rights, making sure that there is no waste within the operation process. We've gone down from making 30,000 garments a week to about 5,000 garments a week. They're beautiful garments. We have lovely clients that we work with. So huge thank you to King Charles and his team. Also parliamentary members that also approved the award, Fashion-Enter. And honestly, we're sincerely delighted with this.